this is one camera and this is one lens. Put them together and what do you get? You get a camera and a lens. Bear with me. Now if you're looking to level up your new #1 passion in life, then I've got this really simple, very simple photography technique that you need to try. For both video and photo, it works great, and that is the one camera, one lens trick. That's right, one camera, one lens. Now, ultimately, what this simplified approach of shooting is going to do is allow you to learn things more quickly and more efficiently, as opposed to going out and juggling a bunch of gear that you don't know how to use yet. When you start photography, there's a lot to learn, like from lingo, settings, framing, editing, brands. There's also a lot to buy, and often people focus more about what they want to buy than what they actually need. Now the one-on-one idea, I've been doing it for years, and I do recommend it to people. It is a really simplified approach. All we're going to need on our next photography session is one camera and one lens. The focal length can be up to you, doesn't really matter. You might have a point and shoot digital camera. You might be shooting on your phone. You might have a fixed prime 35mm camera. Heck, you might even be shooting on a blast from the past bellows camera like this ensign here. Either way, it doesn't really matter. What we're focusing on is the basics, not the gear. And the more that you're actually taking photos, the more fun you're going to have and the quicker you're going to learn. Also, it'll help you become more resourceful as a photographer or videographer, because if you are hired by an agency like I have been many times, you get given the gear when you get to location. It's out of your control what you're going to be using. No pun intended, but you're going to learn to focus. And again, practicing all these skills will help you develop as a photographer. And that's really what we want to be sharpening on. There's too many photography puns in this. Now you might be thinking, Adam, running around with one camera and one lens sounds a bit limiting to me. I want to have fun, I want to get creative. Well look, it's just an idea. But the opposite is true. Running around with one camera, one lens is actually really freeing. Have you ever been out with one camera and one lens only? Maybe that's all you do have and you already know. If that is you, then you already know. Running around with a load of gear you don't know how to use yet, now that will slow you down. But when you're having fun with photography, that's when you grow. And anytime that you are progressing in life and you are growing, you are going to probably be at your most happiest and creative. And that is what photography is all about. So don't get bogged down in all the kit. Don't worry about how much is in your friend's kit bag. Don't worry about what all the YouTubers are shooting with. Just you, your one lens and your one camera. Go out into the big bad world and photograph it. So I hope it helps you like it has helped me become a much better, proficient, creative, resourceful and resilient and artistic photographer. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of the video. And so, if this video was useful to you in any way, shape or form, let me know in the comments. Give it a little like. Happy photography. I hope you get good. Just like me. Right, I'm going. You can't make me. What?